more about 20-year-old Christopher Cornell as he remains in isolation, awaiting his first appearance before a judge tomorrow.
And Butler County is one of 2 local facilities contracted to house prisoners who face federal charges. Local and federal agents arrested the Green Township man Wednesday outside a gun store in Colerain Township. Agents say that Cornell, who allegedly aligned himself with ISIS, wanted to set off pipe bombs inside the U.S. Capitol and then shoot people as they ran out. Here's the newest information we have today. Cornell scheduled to appear in federal court in downtown Cincinnati for his arraignment tomorrow afternoon. Local 12 News has learned that Cornell left a note with his parents early yesterday, indicating that he planned to move out. Cornell attended Oak Hills High School. Well, today, the school's principal issued the following statement. Principal John Stoddard says that Christopher Cornell was a 2012 graduate of Oak Hills High School. During his time at Oak Hills, he was a typical student. Christopher was not a disruption or a discipline problem in school. His teachers were shocked at the news of his involvement in this situation. Teachers at Oak Hills High School remember Christopher as a quiet but not overly reserved student who would participate in class and did not withdraw from his classwork. When Cornell goes to court tomorrow afternoon, a judge will decide if he should be given a bond while he awaits trial. Kevin Tierney, an attorney with Frost Brown Todd, is also a former U.S. assistant attorney, and he tells us it's not likely that Cornell is going to get out of jail anytime soon.
I can tell you 99.9% chance that he's going to be detained pending trial on these charges. There's a presumption already under the law that he's going to be detained, and when you couple that legal presumption with the facts of this case, there's no doubt he'll be detained. What you've got is just the affidavit in support of the complaint, which is a very limited document in and of itself. It's just enough to establish probable cause. I'm sure the government has a lot more evidence than what's been disclosed in the affidavit, and so that's all part of the process. That information will be shared with a defense attorney. The defense attorney will be going through that evidence to see if it substantiates the charges. And just based on that affidavit alone, it looks like they've got substantial evidence on him and that he's been under investigation at least since the summer.
Tierney also used to be with the Secret Service. He says the investigation is likely not finished. It's likely that agents are still pursuing leads. Tomorrow's hearing is scheduled for 1:30 at the federal courthouse downtown Cincinnati. We, of course, will have it covered for you. Let you know what happens on Local 12 and local12.com. Paula?